Hi guys, it's Sheridan here at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum, and today I've brought you a cool rainbow eruption experiment. All you need are some cups, something to set the cups on that has an edge, baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar. So what you need to do first is put a little bit of baking soda in how many ever cups you want. I did 4 here. And then a few drops of food coloring throughout your cups. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting my food coloring in. So I'd say about 3 or 4 drops per cup. And you can pick whatever colors you want. And I did yellow, purple, green, and blue. Next, we are going to make it erupt by pouring vinegar over the top of it. Now that we've seen a cool rainbow eruption, a little bit about the science behind it. We have an endothermic reaction and a chemical reaction. The chemical reaction is due because of the formation of gas and the change in temperature in the baking soda because of the vinegar reacting to it. So we hope that you can experiment with this at home and we see some cool rainbow eruptions in the comments below. Thanks guys.